We'll be discussing about scholarships for Kenyans and others, but also jobs and opportunities. We want to thank you for your migration policy, and we've discussed about Kenyans migrating to Canada to work and live in Canada. We allow dual citizenship, so that's okay. They can come and we're happy. They're Canadian, they're Kenyans, we're happy. But also, we also talked about seasonal workers. And Canada has large market, if I can say, or demand for seasonal workers. So people go and work in farms, in factories, in seasonal for a few months and then come back home. And here in Kenya, we say kazi ni kazi. So work is work. So we're looking forward to those opportunities, and we'll be discussing them more. Then we've got the temporary skilled workers. Canada has a requirement for, I think, medical field workers, nurses, doctors, and all that. And so we're working on a framework so we can get a lot of our nurses and doctors to go to Canada in addition to that.